In 3, 2, 1! Balik, balik, balik! 3, 2, 1, balik! Hey! Wow!
Samahan nyo na tayo, pabalik! 1, 2, 3, go!
Sigaw! Balik, last one, 3, 2, 1!
I think mas maganda ko sumisigaw sila ng happy anniversary. Diba? Gawin natin, happy 6th anniversary SB19! 3, 2, 1! Happy 6th anniversary 18! 3, 2, 1! Happy 6th anniversary SB19!
Thank you so much, 18! Grabe. Nakakatuwa lang actually. Dati wala kaming tawag sa inyo. Diba? Wala tayong tawag sa kanila. Walang fandom name. Talagang pag nakikita namin kayo, hi, hello lang. Pero ngayon, kita nyo naman, ang dami nyo, tapos may date pa tayo. Grabe. I cannot believe what's happening tonight.
Do you really not?
I cannot. It's like
Still.
I'm dreaming.
You know we had Belgian friends over here.
Oh, really? Can you pitch me? Can you pitch me? Oh. I'm not dreaming. It's real.
But we have a lot of international 18 in the house, right?
Yay!
Wow, thank you so much. We really appreciate you going here because that's the plan.
Speaking of appreciation, I think we have to appreciate everyone here. So we would like to freeze this moment in time and have a picture with you. So we will start with Chef. Alam ko, nakikinig ko kayo. Don't worry, naplano namin to, guys. So, sisimulan natin. Diyan lang kayo, guys. So, kayo mag-smile. Dito yung camera. Diyan po yung picture. Okay.
Time to shine.
Magtatago na.
Ay, hindi ko sumali.
Kayo muna, kayo. Baka mabash ako.
Focus tayo. Focus tayo.
Diyan lang kayo.
Okay, 18, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1! Okay, ano sasabihin? Happy 6th anniversary.
Ayun, nakita ko si Ate
3, 2,
Sheila.
1, go! Happy 6th anniversary,
Ayun, nakita ko siya! Nakaparating siya, babe!
Bilisan natin.
Ayun, nakita ko siya!
Okay, sing! Sigaw tayo in 3, 2, 1!
Happy 6th anniversary!
One more down, one more.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy 6th anniversary!
No, gentlemen, dyan lang muna kayo. Kasi I think may papanoorin tayo.
Biligid mo kami ng magulungan. Alam ko na kayo.
To make this moment even more memorable, meron pang surprise ang 18 para sa inyo.
Dami yung surprises, ha?
Alright, get settled in. Because dito na tayo hanggang tomorrow. Ready? Alright, let's watch this special video from your 18.
Siya talaga yun.
Happy 6th anniversary, SB19! Happy 6th anniversary, SB19! Happy 6th anniversary, SB19!
Happy 6th anniversary, SB19!
ninyo, hindi lang kayo treat as ambassadors, talagang lahat sila